Do it to him. I'm canceling box mac and cheese. We're making it at home. Ready?
We gotta boil our macaroni. Fill a bowl with water. Stove, high heat.
Salt your water generously.
Bring to a boil, add your macaroni.
Boil 6 to 8 minutes or until al dente. Please don't cook it all the way through or else it's gonna overcook in the sauce.
Drain the pasta.
Separate pot, 2 tablespoons of butter.
Melt the butter, 2 tablespoons of flour. Whisk that in nicely. Now just cook, stirring often on medium heat.
For 2 to 3 minutes. Maintaining that temp, slowly whisk in 1 cup of warm milk.
Whisk that together just until it starts to thicken.
Now heat is off. Now add 1 cup of cheddar cheese.
Whisk until fully melted.
1 cup of Gruyere cheese. You guessed it, until it's fully melted.
Notice that smooth, cheesy boy.
Add your macaroni.
Fold and fold and a little salt. Woo! We're looking pretty set already. A little bit of Parmigiano, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, yes, sir. Even the chefs